Well, hi guys, it's Rick from Jack Williams Auto Body here in El Cajon, and you've probably seen us on TV on Lords of the Car Hordes or Rusted Development, but what we're really known for is our collision repair. And if you take a look at this car here, it's a GTR Nissan supercar, and you can see how damaged it is. And this is something that is our daily staple. It's our bread and butter, and we take care of this kind of collision. Actually any kind of collision, whether it's small to big. We've been doing this for about 38 years now, and I just want to introduce you guys to what we can do. If you walk around the car here, you can see how damaged it is right here. It was actually hit pretty much all the way around. It's about $35,000 worth of damage. You can see that it's just an absolutely beautiful car, but it's got quite a bit of damage on it. Here in the front, how the front end's all been removed. It's been partially repaired up here in the front. It had a lot of damage to the ductwork and all the cooling areas up here. The headlights are damaged, but it's pretty hard to tell. It's the tabs on those that are damaged. It was actually, hit pretty much all four corners on it. You can see where it's damaged on the fender here. And then the quarter panel over here, which is the rear part of the door. It started in the door right there. Or the rear part of the car, I mean, and then the quarter panel here is going to have to be replaced as well. This thing is just a unique car. It's something that we can handle. We take care of any of your car needs, from whether it's a Tercel to a GTR. Thanks for being with us today.